Foldable smartphones are going to be very popular in 2019, and here at CES we found one of the very first. This is the Royole Flex Pi. So screen over here that runs across both surfaces of the screen. So if I turn it over, you can see your screen there. But if you want to have the bigger picture, you simply pop it open and you've got a larger screen. So you can enjoy your content on the go. There's no crease. It's a really clean looking screen. It's made of plastic, so it's not quite glass, so it has a slightly different appearance. But wow, what a great way to enjoy your content.
I'm here, I'm taking a photo of him,
Smile.
but he doesn't know how to pose or anything. So I'm gonna turn on a preview for him, and here he is.
So he can see it, he can see himself, right.
And that's just another perk of having a screen on both sides.
That's awesome, wow, cool. So when is this expected to go on sale?
So basically the developer version is available now.
Okay.
That means you're not gonna be able to really pop a SIM card in it, activate it with a carrier or anything. But you can still get your hands on it, play with it. We're expecting in America to have this ready by the end of the year. It's just a matter of, getting through the legalities of joining up with carriers and everything.
Will it be coming to Australia?
I hope so.
Okay, it depends on the carriers.
Yes.
Okay, great.
We're really, really pushing to get it out everywhere as soon as possible. It is out in China right now with 3 separate carriers.
Okay. Here's the smartphone of the future.